Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make a natural and easy mouthwash at home. So stay tuned. So to make this homemade mouthwash, I've already washed the mint leaves. So I'm going to pluck the mint leaves. Mint leaves contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. So helpful because to help to maintain healthy gums and teeth, and it is also beneficial for oral hygiene. So I'm going to cut the mint leaf into smaller pieces so that I can easily extract all the nutrients. So when I'm done cutting, I'm going to add into the jar. Clove seed works as antiseptic to fight bacteria that may cause infection. Clove seed will help to relieve toothache and bad breath. So I'm going to add it into the jar. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of sage leaves. Sage leaves contains a mild antiseptic which is so helpful with oral health. It is also good for fighting bleeding gums and mouth sore. So I will add the sage leaves into the jar. I will add hot water and cover the jar and allow it to infuse for about 30 minutes or more. After infusing it for about 30 minutes, I'm going to strain to get the liquid. You can store the liquid in a container and keep in the fridge for about 6 or 7 days. Finally, the mouthwash is ready. This mouthwash will help to refresh your mouth, and also it is good for treating toothache. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.